Upgrade your kitchen with the Gorilla Grip BPA-Free Reversible Kitchen Cutting Board, designed for safe, convenient, and mess-free food preparation. Made from durable, non-porous, food-grade plastic, this cutting board resists cracking, splintering, peeling, stains, and odors, making it a reliable choice for everyday cooking. The reversible design provides two cutting surfaces to help prevent flavor transfer between meats, fruits, and vegetables, while the deep juice grooves catch liquids and keep countertops clean. Featuring a slip-resistant rubber border and easy grip handle, the board stays securely in place during chopping, slicing, and dicing for added safety. It is BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and requires no oiling or special maintenance, making cleanup quick and effortless. Available in multiple sizes, the Gorilla Grip Cutting Board is perfect for meal prep, carving, serving, and daily kitchen tasks.